Ever wondered why yawning is contagious? Is it just a habit, or is there science behind it? It turns out, the answer lies in your brain, specifically, in something called mirror neurons. These neurons fire not only when you do something, but also when you see someone else doing it. When someone yawns, your mirror neurons mimic the action, especially if you're empathetic. Studies show, the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch a yawn. And it's not just humans. Chimpanzees, dogs, even wolf pups do it too. The more social the animal, the more contagious yawning becomes. So, are you yawning yet?